Hey, so the game that I have for you today is called The Right Price. And in this game, you're going to need 2 dice and then a deck of cards. I grabbed our Uno cards today. You'll just want to take out all the special, like skip card or reverse, take all those cards out. So you're left with just the numbers. But for this game, the first player is going to well, I guess everybody gets 6 cards first. So here are my 6 cards. And the first player then takes the 2 dice and rolls them. And with the numbers that they're given, then they decide what price. So I rolled a 1 and a 3. So I can either choose the price $13 or I can choose the price $31. Either way, it doesn't matter, but I get to pick. And I might pick based on the cards that I have in my hand, because for this game, you're going to be multiplying 2 cards together that you have in your hand to get as close to the target price as you can. So that's why you might want to peek ahead and see what numbers you have before you decide what price that you're going to give. But I'm going to give everybody the price of $31. So then I'm going to look in my hand while the people I'm playing with are looking in their hand, and we're all going to come up with a way to get as close to $31 as possible without going over. That's important in this game. You cannot go over the $31. So looking at my options, and I'll show you what I've got. So looking at my options, I think my best bet is to do 3 times 9. So you can see that this game you're going to be doing quite a lot of multiplication, because you're going to be checking different combinations, like, well, 9 times 6, that's 54, that's way too much. And I might not even get to the answer, but to use that reasoning skill of saying, well, I know that 9 times 5 is 45, so 9 times 6 and 9 times 8 are going to be way too high. So encouraging that reasoning skill is really important, not always knowing exactly all the answers. But I am going to play my 3 times 9, and I kind of wait till everybody's ready, and once everybody's ready, then we all reveal at the same time. So then I would go around and I would say, well, I have 3 times 9 is 27. Here you do want them to answer how much they have, 27, and that is 4 away from 31. So you can, a little bit of that subtraction thrown in there, and that difference between the price and how much you have. And then each person goes around and shares what they have, and the person closest to the target price, that $31, is going to receive 12 points. If 2 people are exactly the same distance away, they have the same combination for the same number, then they just split the 12 points between them. So each person would get 6 points. And then you just keep playing that. So then all the cards are discarded. You deal out new hands of 6 to everybody, pass the dice to another player. One thing I would do just for a little added fun is when you're done with the round, come up with something that costs around $31. Think as a family, think as a group, like what's something that we could really buy for about $31? And then you could also do like, what's something that you absolutely cannot buy with $31? Just to put in that reasonableness and that real life application to help teach your kids kind of a little bit about how much things are worth and how much things cost, as just an added little bonus to this game. But that's called The Price is Right. It's a fun, quick game, but there's a lot of multiplication. There's a little bit of subtraction and finding the difference, and it encourages a lot of strong reasoning with the cards and the numbers that they have. So enjoy.